Sulaiman stumbled into the classroom, dragging his bag behind him. "Assalamu alaikum, Sulaiman," he exclaimed. "You are very late." "Wa alaikum assalam," he replied as he walked to his seat. "I am sorry, there was a horrible traffic jam on the way to school. We were stuck in traffic for more than an hour." Sulaiman answered in an irritated voice. "Oh dear, what caused the traffic to build up?" his teacher asked. "The route that we normally take to school was blocked. There were road works. The alternative route was very busy," he said, clearly annoyed as he sat on his seat. "Calm down, Sulaiman," Miss Sadia said. "I know it's annoying, but we should always be patient." Sulaiman nodded his head. "I know, but it was very frustrating. I didn't want to be late for school, and my father was also late for an important meeting." Miss Sadia understood how Sulaiman felt. There were lots of big trucks on the road, and they slowed the cars down. There was one huge green truck right in front of our car. Sulaiman continued as his classmates listened curiously. "Well," replied Miss Sadia, "it is nobody's fault though, is it? We should always try to be patient and ask Allah for help." Sulaiman nodded. "Tomorrow I'll have to leave home earlier and be prepared for the traffic." Miss Sadia smiled. "That's a good idea, Sulaiman. And don't forget to make the dua for travel." "I won't," he replied. "And I will also make dua that there are no trucks tomorrow."
Okay, now that you have listened to the chapter, let's come to the learning key at the bottom of page 3. So, in the story, there is a particular topic being discussed. Do you have any idea what that topic is? Well, you can get the idea from the title of the story. The title of the story was Traffic Jam, which means that it was a story about getting stuck in the traffic. And the participants in the story were Sulaiman and Miss Sadia. Even though there were other classmates in the story as well, but they were not talking, right? Only Sulaiman and Miss Sadia were speaking. The setting tells us where the events in the story took place. So, as Sulaiman tells about what happened on the road, and they are discussing that story in the classroom, so the events in the story took place on the road and in the classroom. Also, the pictures in the story can also help us to get more information. Now, let's come to the activity. Look at the picture on page number 3 and discuss what you can see. For example, there is a teacher standing in the classroom. Now, you tell what else can you see. Thank you for joining.